Door just pressed.
And you're at this part. Oh, you fast.
I got hot.
I got okay.
Is it recording?
Yeah. I thought you said I could set it up.
Okay.
Look at this. You guys can get actual.
Wait, I thought Alicia did that last time.
Alicia was
So
last,
who is
but
it that
Tiffany.
time?
Oh, look at me, hotness. look at coleslaw. This just these two. The best part is this part where I run and don't want to chase me. Okay, look at me. I'm hot. Look, who is that? I put on my glam. I look up and what's that? It's
Why are you narrating?
Look at the door. No, okay.
You guys shouldn't do this part.
Watch. Daytime.
Oh yeah.
Blackout.
It took us so fucking long to do it.
Okay, so I get in the car.
Oh yeah,
There's you.
Oh, that was the hardest part. I just
Yeah,
hold the
yeah.
flashlight.
I'm just dialing away. 911 because it takes that long.
Ready? Oh, that's so scary.
It stopped it. It's skipping. Maybe I should clean
Yo,
it.
isn't it fucking ironic how it stopped on her? Can you turn it off? It's really kind of scary.
No,
Okay, just go like this.
Okay, I have to fix it. Okay, I think it's over. Okay, well anyway, I die.
Oh, this is Hannah Potter.
Oh,
this is
Please don't even. You knew that. Don't even freak a lot.
I know. No, you don't get it. Never mind. I don't want to get it.
Alicia, don't even. You know.
You're fucking laughing at me. I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
You knew this was a good movie.
That's what you called it. You named it good movie.
Because it was a good copy. OMG.
What the frick happened to it?
Alicia, what do I do?
You don't want it.
I've never had that happen in my life.
It's coming off. Do you think if you peel it?
Don't peel it.
Oh, sorry.
Look it. Oh my
Did you
goodness.
burn it?
I don't know. Maybe. How? Oh. The blooper?
You like that thing? It's so fucking annoying. Why are you putting it back in?
What? That's hot.
Yeah, but can you watch it on if it's burnt?
Oh, Bella.
You remember in the car we're both like,
What car? Cardiff?
No. When we were driving in the car earlier.
Like dancing? You were like, do you remember like, I'm like, we're dancing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a good time.
It was so much fun. Tonight, that never happened on
What time is
Adventures.
it? Oh, last time I checked it was 8:30. What the fuck happened?
We like,
Oh, that was before the movie and everything.
wow, that was such a long time. Actually, remember this? 3 hours ago.
It was long.
Where is it? Like, why isn't it popping up?
There's a fucking mark on it. That's why.
Yeah, you better shut the L up.
The hell up.
Maybe I meant lips, but I'm not quite sure what I meant.
I thought you were trying to say like shut the F up, but you said L.
I was trying to do that
Shut
exactly.
the luff up. Look.
Yeah, I couldn't go back and correct myself because that would have been the pussy way out.
You kill me,
Say
man.
what? Aww, you want to hurt.
I don't, and if I did, I would
I
wear
like-
it like that.
I like my top one. Tiara.
Who's hungry pussy? Or like, for the Ice Cube song, we're like, oh!
It was either the checkity check or something.
No, because I didn't know the words to that.
I was just thinking that, but wow, now it's completely not working. Not responding right now. Okay, so
this is kind of upsetting.
okay, so it must have been,
You know, a lot just happened in 2 minutes. I was going to say 1 minute.
but I'm just saying, like,
Why'd you close it?
that's so weird. Why won't good movie play?
Because there's a fucking burn on the CD.
No, it was just working. Like, how did that burn come from absolutely nothing?
What?
That is so weird. I just watched it. You know what? Good thing I
thought
have
it was Trayvon. I was like, why do you have a picture of my nephew on your computer?
addictions.
You have an addiction with my nephew.
Exactly. Stuff happens when you're away. Oh, you went with me.
Is that Seda?
Don't know, it's my dad.
Oh!
Did you see my picture? It's like Papa Bubble.
Yeah!
Shit happens.
Oh, but you that Seda? Why would it be
starting. Volume.
We're in Britain, but Alicia speaks English. No, this is like a real noisy. Do you like it for me?
Can you? Okay, hold on.
You sound like fucking...
Do you? The cap is closed. Do you watch Harry Potter? Okay, you know that every witch or wizard has an owl or a rat or something? Okay, I have an owl.
Does it come...
It sends me a message. Look, I'm just like talking about them.
Does it like throw at you or something?
Watch. She wrote like look.
Hold on. Who do you stop? Okay, have you ever seen Parent Trap with Lindsay Lohan?
Mm-hmm.
You sound like that girl.
Yeah, I'm British. Like,
play that shit.
Okay. I'm British. It will fall.
Yeah. No, Patrick, you're right. I think I should watch this.
Yeah, it's only a white
Now,
line.
some of you may have read in newspapers, the level of fear has been stolen. Obviously, for security reasons, traffic stones were put upon the ring.
Is that
Now, keep
Jenna?
an eye on exactly where it was. So, interviews with
You know what?
you
would be in the background talking, not even like worrying about this thing. Oh, like, yeah. Like, we wouldn't even be listening. Like, almost sounds Japanese. Like, why?
Oh, look at that! She's
What?
floating.
Yeah, like they use the green.
Oh, that's scary shit.
Okay, look at. His hair's taken out. Okay, this is look. Jenna, my hair's down. Hair's down. Why? Watch my hair. New head down.
You just hear me?
Oh, shit. That's my book bag. Look at watch art.